Hello guys, thanks for watching. Adrian here from AppSeed. So in this video I want to say a few words about the latest update of Argon Django, the premium version. Now the product is saved, has the sources saved on GitHub as a public repository. But in order to effectively use the product, you need a GitHub token that is shipped during the purchase. Okay, this token needs to be exported in the environment because the UI, starting with this version, the UI is no longer hard-coded inside the product. So it's installed from an external library, which basically means that the design can be used in any Django project, legacy or new project. Okay, if we go here to the requirements, we can see that. The environment in order to pull the sources of this of the UI, we need this GitHub token that unlocks the access to be exported in the environment. All the installation steps are explained here, so we can see that we need to check out the sources, of course, export the GitHub token which is shipped during the purchase, and once the GitHub is provided in the environment, we can successfully install all the requirements and use the product. On top of this, the product can be deployed in minutes or using render platform, and we we will do this during this demonstration. Okay, let's go here to the render dashboard. For newcomers, Render it's a Heroku-like deployment platform, but in my opinion has improved UI, more user-friendly, and also a super decent pricing. We need to go here to the blueprints, create a new blueprint, and just provide the URL of the repository in this field. Now Render analyzes the repository and detects that it's a repository that knows how to manage it, and we can push the deployment. The first attempt of the deployment will fail because we didn't export in the application environment any GitHub token. So I will respect the instruction as provided here. I will go back here to the product environment and add a new variable. The value used in this demonstration is this one, but of course it's a temporary token, will be deleted after the demonstration. So I will save the token here, click Save Pages, and go back to the product and check out the deployment. Once we update the environment, a new deployment is triggered. So let's check out the compilation log. This automation is possible because the product comes with two files, especially edited for render. So the first one is this YAML, which informs render that the product needs a Python environment, needs to be to execute this build command, which is set here in the root of the repository, and other things specific to the application, the entry point, and other things. The build.sh basically update pip, install the requirements, and collect static, and of course migrate the database. Let's go back here to the product. So we can see that the product is flagged as successful, the build is flagged as successful, and we can access the product in the browser. I will use Firefox for this, just to have a fresh environment. So The product is up and running. We can sign in, register. The UI looks amazing in my opinion. Has a lot of widgets, components. Let's create a new user. Test. Okay, once the account is created, we are redirected to the sign-in page. I will pass here the password, and we are authenticated. So guys, this is the product. The product is discounted with 30%. The source code, as I said before, is saved on GitHub as a public repository. In case anyone have issues with the product, feel free to access the support page, chat with us, send us an email. The credentials are here, or simply join the Discord, where we provide live assistance, and also we have a super nice community with more than 1,000 members. Thanks for watching again. Adrian here from AppSeed, and as always, I wish you all a super day. Bye guys.